Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the Flaticon website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we want to open the Google Chrome and then we have to search for the Flaticon website. So I'm going to write the name of the website. You can download the easily icons from here that I'm going to show you that how you can create your account here. So you can see the animated icons, the stickers, the interfaces icons and the icons. So all these options are provided here. Simply you have to click on this option. So I'm going to click on this option, and after clicking on this option you have the login. If you want to create your login you can also do that, but I'm going to click on the continue with Google. So as you can see, don't you have an account, so you have to click on the sign up. So let's click on the sign up. We have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, I'm going to click on the continue with Google. So you have to choose the email address, that which email address you want to use. For example, I'm going to use my this email address. So let's click on this, and then we have to click on the confirm, and after clicking on the confirm, our account will be created. This is the easy way of creating your account on the Flaticon website. You just have to hit the continue with Google, and then you have to choose your Google account, that which Google account you want to use. So as you can see, now our account is created. So in this way you can create your account on the Flaticon website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can create your account. So see you guys in the next video.